Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. If this is the first time you're coming to my channel, thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. And in this platform we talk about basically skincare, healthy habits and makeup. So if that is something that interests you, please subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up and let's begin because this one is quite interesting. As you would know from last year, the work culture has changed. Many of us are now working from home with the leisure of working in our pajamas and eating at any time. There is no fixed lunch time and we are really enjoying that time. Even there's a pandemic going on outside, we are able to manage our work-life balance, and that's a really plus point when we are working from home. But the point is, sometimes when we are invited to these video calls, Zoom calls, we panic like anything. And if I talk about myself, I'm a person who has worked from office for a very long time, but sometimes I panic when now I'm invited to a video call, right? So I don't know how I will look. Anyways, the camera is not in 4K over the laptop, so we're gonna look a bit weird. And if you are not perfectly managed, you will look quite disappointing. And let me put it out very frankly to you, someone who looks very well put up and neat and fresh and clean, that gives a really good vibe to everyone else on the call. So that's what I believe. If you look good, presentable, it makes other person cheerful and more interested in the call, and that's what I believe, that's what I've seen. So in this video we're going to talk about one of the incidents which happened with me earlier this month, where I was invited to a meeting and I thought it would be a audio call. Later on, it was set up at 3 p.m. So at 2:45, I came to know that's going to be a video call, and I was like, oh my god. I was not ready for it. I had oil on my head and I was having that burn. And I was like, okay, I was literally looking like someone who's on holidays. So I had to get ready in 15 minutes. So that I did perfectly well, and I thought many of us would be like in that situation. You would have come across, or you would be in a situation like kya kare, how to get managed, how to get ready, किस process को follow करें, because 10 minutes is a very less time, and someone who has oil on her head, it's really tough. So what I did is, firstly I'll talk about that day. I went ahead, took shower, I washed my hair and I shampoo them, and then I had to put on the hair dryer and dry them quickly. And after that, within like 7 to 8 minutes, I did a quick makeup routine. Now, to be very honest, nowadays my lifestyle has changed because we are not going out much, we are not eating outside, and our routine is really good. Like most of us sleep on time, wake up on time, we have started going to gym and all that. So our routine has improved, and because of that, thank god, my skin has improved a lot. I don't need a lot of makeup nowadays, which I earlier used to have. I barely use foundation nowadays. So a lot has changed for me. My skin is a bit good, a lot of things have changed on my skin. As you can see, I've shown you my bare skin many times on Instagram. My skin looks much better now, so I don't need to put on a lot of makeup, but still a few additions here and there make you look so much presentable and well put up on the camera. So in this video I'm going to talk you through how to get ready within 10 minutes for your Zoom call or Zoom meeting or any birthday party or any kind of connect you are going to have with your friends or family and whatnot. You will be ready in 10 minutes, believe me. This is really quick, really short, and I've used really particularly each and every product which I actually use in my routine. This is not something like I'm contouring and putting on highlighters and eyeliners, because that is impossible to do in 10 minutes and nobody even care, because the camera of the laptop, in fact my laptop I'm talking about right now, is not 4K, so you're not gonna see other person really clearly, or every pimple, acne, every pore on their skin. Similarly, they cannot see you. So in this video you will see how you can cover up yourself within 10 minutes. And if you guys enjoy this video, definitely let me know. I can make more such videos in coming time, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Definitely subscribe to my channel if you do, share with your friends and family, and somebody who actually need it. I'm going to share with few of my friends as well, because they're going to enjoy it so much, because I enjoyed working on this video. So let's start and let's move to the video. So the very first step is we have put on a really pretty top for the meeting because that's all matter, that's all anybody going to see on the camera. Then I've clipped back my hair because we're going to put on a little bit of makeup. The very first product that I'm really interested about is the Plum Kajal. This is the blackest smudge proof kajal, really affordable and I love it. I have used ton of kajal and this is by far the best. It really makes my eyes awake. The very second product is Silvazo mask, and this one is a night mask, but trust me, I use it as a primer, as a moisturizer and whatnot. This has made my skin so smooth, really plump and so much hydrated. You can see once I apply it, it works as a primer as well as a moisturizer, and it makes my skin glowing and so much hydrated. So that's the motto. Our skin is going to look really beautiful. We're going to add a few things over it, so skin has to be really neat and clean, guys, and that's what I'm trying to do during lockdown. You can see how much glow it has given. Now on to the very next product. This is EX1 powder foundation. It's a mineral one and works so perfectly. It's a powdered form, has a little bit of coverage to it, and that's what I like. This is exactly my skin tone, my skin but better kind of foundation. Anytime where I don't have much time to spend on foundation concealer, I usually go for it. I use brush as well as sponge. With brush I'm going to buff it into my skin with the circular motion, so in that way we are giving much more coverage because we don't have any other product on my skin except moisturizer. So here we will look really put up, really stunning. Our skin will be glowing because of the moisturizer. As you can see underneath, it is still giving a glow, which is really important. Our skin has to be perfect, that's the motto. And then I'm going to use a really generous amount of this product because it gives good coverage and makes my skin semi matte. It's not really a matte kind of foundation. I don't prefer matte foundation look. I go for more natural coverage nowadays, so that's what we are going to do. With the brush I'm getting a lot of coverage than I usually get with sponge in this case because it's a powdered form. A little bit on the eyelid so that it looks matte and gives a look as if we have used some kind of eyeshadow over there. Then with a sponge I'm going to blend everything so we don't have excess powder foundation on my face. So that's that. Very easy, very simple. This product will do the trick for us, and you can see the difference, one side with the powder foundation, other just bare skin. So it looks really well put up, neat look, and it does not take more than 2 minutes. Trust me, it's a powder foundation, but it's as easy as you are applying a powder to your face. It does not take much time. Good coverage. And this line EX1, I'm telling you, I have made few videos. You guys definitely go and check those out. If you are still struggling to get foundation matched to your skin tone, go for it. This product is amazing. This entire brand is good. Now another trick, use the RCMA powder and I'll tell you what it's gonna do. I'll take a little bit on my hand because I don't have time for the fancy plate and all that, right? So I'm gonna take a little bit on my hand as I've shown you. Then we're gonna take the sponge because that's what we will use here under the eyes. Don't use brush most of the time. Then we're gonna dab a little bit of product, and then under the eyes you can see the difference. It will make your eyes look more awakened, more even tone. And in case you have dark circles, you're welcome, guys. Like, I have given you a really good trick. This will make the difference. You see, it looks really polished and it makes your eyes really brightened up. And I'm not gonna waste it, and I'm gonna do one more thing with this product. You can see I'm evening it out on both the eyes and use it with very light hand. On around the eyes you have to be like very cautious, then around nose. So what I'm going to do over here is, I'm not gonna contour, right? So I'm gonna do reverse contouring. I'm gonna lighten up the center of my face. In that way I'm brightening up, I'm bringing it more forward so that the jaw and the forehead looks as if it is contoured. You just see in the camera right now, my skin looks as if I have done contouring around forehead and the jawline, but I have not done anything. I'm in front of you. You can see I have just brightened up the center line of my face, and that's a motto. It brings out the nose, the forehead and the lips, make it look as if we have done contouring, but we have not. So next product, totally optional. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Press Powder, a beautiful, amazing product. If you know Wet n Wild, I don't know how they make it so affordable products, but this one is so beautifully made. So now we are on to the next product, which is the NYX Brow Tint Mascara. This is always sold out because of really good reasons. Totally option over here, guys. You need not to use it, but if you're interested, have a minute because it does not take more than a minute. Just brush your brows and use this mascara on the brows. It makes your face more framed, I believe, because my eyebrows are not that darker and bushy, so I kind of use it a little bit on the ends and a little bit on the beginning of the brow so that it looks good. The next option is Benefit Mascara. This one gives me really good volume, and I already have good lengthy eyelashes, but I need a little bit of help on the volume side. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use a little bit. And if you guys are like, I don't want to have really thick and like fake lashes, don't worry. It's going to give you a very natural one. You can see how I'm trying to use very little amount, but yet this makes a difference. I think for Indian eyes, mascara does make a difference. Many people are avoiding it, but you just see the difference on both the sides. The eyes on my right look, sorry, my left look really beautiful, and I really prefer mascara. Even when I don't have cold or anything, I use mascara. It makes my eyes more awakened and looks really good. Now to my favorite part, lipstick. This one is the bestseller from Maybelline, Lip Gradation Mauve. Such a stunning color, I'm telling you. I'm a big fan of this shade in general, mauve. And then another one from Maybelline too, because they're affordable. This is Barely Nude shade. Looks so good, so natural. I'm gonna tell you how you can use just the Barely Nude. Dab a little bit on the center of your lips, and then within like 30 seconds you are done with your lips. You need not to do anything fancy. But if you're like me and you love to apply some lip shade, go for the Lip Gradation Mauve one. So stunning, and I have tried this in my meeting. Looks really pretty, and it does not feel as if you're applying a really dark shade. It's very muted, it's very stunning, and the look that we have gone for, everything is so muted, and the lipstick just helps out, you know. And then there is a sponge on the other side, so if you have a little bit of extra color, it's gonna take it out and make it more even. So stunning. I have enjoyed this shade so much. Everyone compliments me on this shade. If you have not tried it, you are definitely losing on something. Give it a try, you will enjoy it. And that's that. We gone on now. Make sure that we look more presentable. We have to take care of our hair because we are going for an office meeting. Now, a small trick over here: if you're going for some other party or meeting or chit chat with your friends on Zoom, use a little bit of eyeshadow. I've used the Root Cosmetics Tokyo palette and two of the lighter shades. I'm mixing them and just applying within like a minute. As you can see, it does make a difference. I'm just using one or two shades. That's all you need for the nude eye look. You need not to spend 20 minutes. See the difference? Like within a minute we are ready. Now I'm gonna comb my hair, and I think I'm going to make it a half clutch, because when you pull up your hair right, your face look more lifted, and that's the trick. We want to look awake, lifted. Everything we just did in last 2-3 minutes is about lightening up our face, making it awaken, and kind of making it much more well put up, right? So as you can see, within a minute when I have put in this clutch, my face looked a bit lifted and much more framed. So that's that. Very simple. Now this is optional again. Earrings, you guys decide. I love to go with pearls all the time. The safest bet I can go with, I always go with pearl. I'm telling you, even in parties I'm the only one who's wearing pearls, so I really love it. Good option. You will you will look a little more presentable. As I said, even for interviews you can use this makeup, guys, don't worry. And you can see you're ready. Here we go. All the best. So as you have seen the video, and you guys would know, it's really easy to get ready in 10 minutes if you know the proper things. These are the products that I use and I've shared with you guys. You guys might alter as you like, but this is the thing. This is the process for me that works out, which is a hit. And the products I've shown you, there is a particular reason, and this is the outlook. And you look not very made up, not very cakey foundation. Skin is not perfect, and that's the motto. Your skin cannot be perfect, but presentable. That was my intention in this video. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I see you guys very very soon. You guys take care, don't step out, and stay healthy, stay fit. I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.